just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, 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 oblivion.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. I'm staying safe. Today we are going to Chennai due to some personal work. While coming back from Chennai, we're gonna visit even Kanchivaram. You know now guys, what is famous for Kanchivaram? Silk sarees are really very famous in Kanchivaram. And in Kanchivaram, I'm gonna visit Meenakshi Amman temple, also called Kanchi Kamakshi Amma temple. So, guys, if you want to watch all different and beautiful saris and also the beautiful temple in Kanchivaram, you guys have to watch all series of Chennai. This is series 1 guys, because all together I can't add in one video because you guys definitely feel bored. So I'm gonna make in a series. So please watch all the series. Here we left around 3:30 a.m. guys, and it's really beautiful to see even the sky as well as the surroundings. Of course it's not visible, but still I'm just enjoying my journey and just watching the early morning atmosphere. Guys, on the way I'm going to show you beautiful views in the early morning. So you can really feel the difference in the sky. How suddenly dark will turn to the brightness. Here now time is 5:30 guys, but still wow. It's beautiful atmosphere guys.
But I don't feel like I've won. I wanna forget you, but only time will heal. Too late to erase the past.
It's a pond, mountain, sky. Wow. I'm really enjoying my journey guys. So it's already 7:15 guys, and here you guys have to see the tamarind trees on the way to Chennai now. Here I've really seen many tamarind trees guys. It's really a beautiful view to watch. You guys have to watch this. Wow. Usually we would like to walk in the early mornings now guys. When we travel, how it will be. I'm really enjoying it. So this is Kanchivaram guys. You can even see the board of A.S. Babusha, which is a famous Kanchivaram silk sarees you'll be getting in the A.S. Babusha. Most of us, we definitely visit that shop once we visit the Kanchivaram. And here we are going to Chennai. If we want to visit Chennai, we have to go through the Kanchivaram only. So anyways, while coming back, we're going to visit Kanchivaram also. So here now we have a bit of work in Chennai. So we're going there. We reached Chennai, guys. This is metro station in Chennai, and it's looking awesome. And now it's time for breakfast. It's almost 8:30, guys, and we are feeling very hungry because we woke up very early, right? So yeah, we just came to A to B now. Today I'm gonna taste Chennai's special breakfast, that is idli sambar. Obviously, in Chennai, sambar will be very tasty, guys. We just entered the A to B, and here what I have observed is each table only two have to be seated. So me and my son occupied one table. Though I have decided to taste the idli sambar in Chennai, I would like to see the menu for today's special recipes. And also, Pongal, when Pongal is very famous, guys, in Chennai. It's 8:30, no guys, it's a breakfast time. The crowd is very less and each table only two have to be seated. I've just ordered for mini idlis with sambar. Not only mini idlis, guys, here even different types of breakfast are also available, which is made with rice recipes or even van pongal or upma. So here is my special breakfast. I'll get back to you once I'm done with my breakfast. Not only me, guys, even my son really enjoying the taste of this idli sambar. Last but not the least, I just ordered for coffee, which is very tasty, guys. I really enjoyed it. Okay, bye bye to be. Now it's time to go to Kanchivaram. Are you guys ready? Come on, guys, let's go. We reached Kanchivaram, guys. Here, Weaver's wholesale shop is there. So first we're gonna visit that shop. Then we're going for AS Babusha, which is very famous in Kanchivaram. We reached, guys. This is a wholesale shop. Now let's go inside. So this is how they're gonna show us a sari. We have to sit down, and who are not comfortable sitting down, they can provide even the chairs. So whichever you like, until you like, they're gonna show you. They'll not be hesitated, nor they'll not be tired of showing the saris. We told them to show 7,000 to 10,000 range saris, so they're showing only that. And they also showed the 1,65,000 rupees sari, and that was really beautiful, guys. The quality and the jari wise, it's superb, guys. Very soft material, and these are nearly 11,000, 12,000 saris. They are really looking so beautiful, and cloth wise I felt bit hard. If the jari or a silk is very pure, they're going to show you with this butterfly sticker. You can see that now guys, so which is very pure silk it seems. So if that label is there, because it's a wholesale shop, we really felt reasonable prices only. So we're going to see few more sarees here.
Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight. Love and hate, we blurred the lines. I'm giving up this fight.
So here now they've showed us 1,65,000 rupees sari. This is what it is guys, which they are folding, which was really very soft, and quality wise it's superb guys. Guys, we are really feeling very hungry because the time is 2:30 now. So we just came here to have our lunch, and here I really like the way they are presenting it. They're just given with this leaf, and they just poured hot water to wash the leaf, and they're just giving we just ordered for special meals over there. They're given with 3 to 4 curries and 1 chapati, curd rice, different types of dishes they have given guys. So I'm going to show you now that this chapati with this curry, it's very tasty guys. It's a plate meals, and can you see those curries guys? I really like whenever I visit Chennai or Kanchivaram, I would definitely like to have the Kara Kolambu. This is very famous in Chennai guys. Who really like to have the sourness, definitely please have that Kara Kolambu. Now I'm having Kara Kolambu only guys. Very tasty. Here they have given rasam with buttermilk, side dish. Very tasty guys. I'm really enjoying my lunch. After having a lunch, we just came to AS Babusha, which is very famous in Kanchivaram. This video it is going to continue tomorrow guys. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.